Okay, so hello guys. So this is day one of Events of Code. So I'll be doing in Kotlin. I am much better at C++, but I want to move to Kotlin for most of my things. So let's get to it. What the heck is a weather machine? It's in 2015. That might help solve those problems. What the heck is this? Whoa. Okay. I see. Okay. Okay, so first digit and the last digit. So one and five. Okay, so we start off with the inputs. I guess for this, I need to build a configuration. Um, let's do this. Let's create a configuration. So here we have Kotlin. I'm just going off of my head, by the way. Okay, no, screw this. I'm just gonna do it this way. So I gave up trying to create an input thing. So here I'll do build. I'll do this. Bam. Fixed. And then we have um, I'll just do this. I'll paste that in. And then here, uh, I guess I read each line, right? So here, I'll just call. It's kind of weird solving it this way. So when it is not equal to null, I have no idea how to efficiently do this in Kotlin. So I will do val digits. So it goes through the line, right? Really? Really, bro? Oh my, screw it. So here I would do Okay, you know what? This is confusing the heck out of me. So I will, I might still need math. I might need all of this. I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm not gonna use my competitive programming template anymore. But use scanner. Scanner is equal to, scanner? So here I have a scanner. As next line, I need the answer variable. So now I have a line, scanner.next line, and then here I'm going to extract the digits equals to line dot to char array dot filter. It is digit. I'm just relying on autocomplete. I don't actually know these methods exist until now. So now I have all the digits. Now I need to map them to actual digits. Or can I just do to digit to int? I think that will work, right? Yeah. There might be more convenient way to write this, but this is what I have. Digits. Um, so I need to combine to create two digits. So I'll do answer plus equal to digits dot first times 10 plus digits dot back. Oh, it's called last. I'm used to C++. Then I just print out the answer. So now it's going to build and hopefully this works. So if I do this now, list is empty. What? I do that instead. Cannot find the file specified. Where the heck is it? Okay, I'm just gonna be lazy. Absolute path. Bam. 142. Okay, it works. So I guess I need to log in with GitHub. Get my puzzle input. I don't want to translate this to English. It's garbage. Okay. So here we do this. Got it. So now port 2. If I was actually full in Kotlin, this would have taken me 3 minutes. On max. Assuming I've already understood the problem. Okay, so yeah. So now I have to. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. This is gonna be a bit cheesy. So var digit strings, I have to follow the naming convention of Java equals array of, I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so here, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try to do a regex replace. How the heck am I gonna do this? So if I do like a line dot replace, does it replace all of it? How does this work? So, Kotlin replace, what does that do? Does it replace all the occurrences? Okay, good. I think that's what I want. So now, I in this be more Kotlin-like digit strings with index. I would say var line is equal to line dot replace digit strings of I and I plus 1. There we go. So now if I do this, does it actually work? That's my question. If it works, I'm such a genius. So let's guess. Oh, realize that. So if I print the line after each one, what does it give me? So 219. Oh, I think I see why. I think it's because the strings for the numbers, they can overlap. So let me just print that. Um, so digits dot first. and then I do digits.last. I just want to prove that what I'm thinking is 2983. Yeah, they overlap. That's true. Okay, so now I need to find the first and last occurrence. To replace equal -1. Position is equal to line. So I need to find the first. That's not what I want. So I need to do Kotlin find first occurrence of substring. Is there no built-in function for this? Index of. Okay, so it's just called index of. So if position, let's set this to something like line dot size, or it's called length, I guess. Cool. It's called length. Because for string, it's called length. So if position is less than earliest position is equal to position. And to replace is equal to I plus 1. Alright, Java name conventions. We're going to try to keep my naming nice for the sake of videos. There we go, number to replace. Now, if number to replace is not equal to -1, then do line is equal to line dot replace first of digit strings number to replace plus 1. Like it doesn't include 0, so it's fine. And now we do the same thing, but we do it for the rightmost. Or is this right? No, this doesn't handle one edge case still, which is 1, the 2 and the 1. So the edge case is this. Yeah, so I definitely don't want to replace it. I just want to find out where it is. Actually, I will do it like this. Uh, yeah, I'm way overcomplicating this. Oh, I just thought of a genius idea. What am I doing? About n is equal to line dot length y in 0 until n if, I'm gonna use char, right? So if line of I that is digit, then just um return that digit to int. For JV in digit strings, I'm just gonna make a little hack to make it nice to work with the index. So if line dot find, so first of this first of what is this index first? Is now equal to -1. Bruh. Can I still do it like this? Yes, I can. Perfect. Index of v is not equal to -1. It will just return run j. There we go. And now I repeat this. Let's say last digit. This times I in n minus 1 down to 0. And answer plus equal to first digit times 10 plus last digit. What the heck did this return? What? It's an int? And it's an int. There we go. 209, that's even worse. What? Alright. Last occurrence of substring. It's called the last index of. Yeah, I have to manually check last index of V. So if position is not equal to -1. Well, okay, so if position is equal to I, then return J. Two. It was so weird. You have to apply the same treatment here. Val position is equal to line dot index of V. If the position is equal to I, return J. 302. How am I keeping wrong answers? Okay, so let's debug a little bit. First digit, last digit. I'm gonna print it for each line to see what happened. So I have 2 and a 9, 8, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 1, 4, 7, 6. Ah, yeah, this should be fully correct now. By the way, with the event of code, you're free to modify the input as long as you somehow get to the same answer. GG. That took a little while. But what's the leaderboard? The personal time? Yeah. Okay, so every day at 9 o'clock for me, a new problem opened up. So yeah. GG guys. And if you want to take a last look at the solution, here it is. So I just literally read the file. It's just convenient. What I did was I created a digit strings array. So for if I want to access a string of a certain number, I can just access it like an index. And I added this 0. I know it doesn't exist, but it's to make it so that because the index is 0 based, so I'm just offsetting that to make it nice. And now we have the first digit function. Well, not a real function, but we get a value out of it. And go through every position. If either the current character is a number, we just parse it to an int. Otherwise, we check all of these strings to say if they start at position I. So this works in the sense that it's the earliest possible because, well, one is this index of gives you the earliest occurrence. 2, we make sure that it is equal to current position. We don't want to like if I have an edge case like this, right? So HT3. So I don't want to be here and say like, okay, this is not a digit, so let's try to find this string. And when we do found a 3, we do find a 3 right here. That occurs later than 2, so we have to count for that. And the easiest way is to check its the current position. And I did the same thing but backwards. So yeah. Now how can I reduce this? Does Java have a good pattern searching algorithm? Boyer. I know C++, they have Boyer more. Boyer more? Oh, I misspelled it. I'm hoping that they have a built-in library function to do this. Do they not have one? So it looks like they don't have it. I'll ask ChatGPT. Does have a built-in pattern searching? Oh, I should say Java. Because yeah, then we can just optimize this to linear time. Okay. I would like to verify the source, please. No. So it doesn't have it. I'll have to look at this later, but yeah, see you guys. I'll see you on day 2.